Hello, can you tell me which is the biggest opportunity in this field based on the soil analysis?
Sure. Let me pull the latest soil analysis data for your field right now, so we can pinpoint the biggest opportunity. Here's the quick take. The field has generally high phosphorus and calcium, but pH and magnesium are notably low. pH is especially a concern, with nearly 90% of the area in the low range. Magnesium is also low across about 77% of the field. Here's a summary of the key evidence. Property, mean, class, low area share, medium area share, date. 195 days ago. pH, 5.425, low, 9.0%.
I'm wondering which one is more important to fix, the pH or the magnesium. I see that both are low. Which one should I prioritize to get the best economic return? Maybe you can give me a table with these facts as well.
Here's the quick take. Both pH and magnesium are low, but pH is extremely low across nearly 90% of the field. That's likely the top priority. Magnesium is also low, but the economic return on correcting pH often comes first, especially for nutrient availability. Here's a summary table of the key evidence. Property, mean, class, low area share, date. 195 days ago. pH, 5.425. Low. Magnesium, 72. Mean, date, 2025-19.
Can you tell me, based on the information that you have, which is the best day, or is there such day for me to spray over the next 14 days? It knows the sprayability.
Based on the upcoming 14 days, there's one suitable spraying day, November 20th. That day offers favorable conditions. The other days show unsuitable conditions for spraying. Focusing your application on November 20th would be your best window. Would you like any more details on these weather patterns?
You can also create variable rates. You can ask it how many zones to have, what rates to input. You can say, my target pH is 6.5. Can you help me create a variable rate map? How many zones do I need to have and what rates to input in order to get the target rate?
We can definitely outline a strategy for a variable rate lime application to raise your pH to the target of 6.5. Typically, we break the field into zones based on the current pH distribution. From your soil analysis, the field has a mean pH of 5.43, with most of the area in the low classification. We'll create multiple zones, usually 3 to 4, based on the pH range, and assign lime rates.
Just give it in a table for me so it can be faster and easier to see.
Understood. Here's a compact table summarizing the pH correction zones and the approximate lime rates. Zone 1, current pH range, area share, lime rate THA. 1.97 to 5.31, roughly 30%, 4.0. Zone 2, 5.5, roughly 40%, 6.0 to 6.5, roughly 20%, 6.0 to 6.3. This gives you 4 main zones, each with a different lime rate to reach the target pH of 6.5. You can now build your variable rate map based on these zones. Would you like guidance on creating the final prescription file?